Ever struggle to watch your grandparents open up YouTube or Netflix? Well, today I will show you how to use a super simple trick to make any website a one-click desktop app so that even beginners can access it instantly. So hit that subscribe button and let's begin, because your grandparents are definitely going to thank you. Now, the first step is to open up the website. Just launch open your preferred web browser. And now within the address bar, you will simply need to type in the website that you want to create the shortcut to. For this case, let's just do YouTube. I'm going to type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take us to the YouTube homepage. Now, if you're using the Edge browser, then click on the three dots at the top right corner and now navigate into More Tools. Then go into Apps, and now you will see the Install option, which may say Install this site as an app. Just click on this button and click on Install once again. Once the application is installed, make sure to check Create Desktop Shortcut and click on Allow. You also have the option to pin it to your taskbar or the Start menu. And now you can find a shortcut right within your desktop. So in order to start using YouTube, you can simply double-click on this shortcut. Now let's create another shortcut for Facebook. And this time, let's use the Chrome browser instead. Open up the web browser and then type in facebook.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you're in the Facebook homepage, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner. You can now go into Cast, Save and Share, and you will find the Install Page as App option. Go ahead and click on it, and then type in your desired name for the application shortcut. Now click on Install, and that's it. Your favorite websites have now appeared within your desktop. Now imagine your grandparents, your parents, or anyone not familiar with computers. They no longer have to hunt for URLs or struggle with tabs. Just one click and they're watching their favorite videos without you having to set anything up. So in under a minute, you've made your desired website a one-click desktop app, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants easier access to websites. Go ahead and try it with other sites. And if you learned something new today, subscribe for more practical Windows and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.